The length of a list is the number of elements in the list. We can get the length by calling the len function in Python. For example, consider the following program. In line 1, Python assigns the list 246 to variable numbers. The list contains 3 elements, so the length of numbers is 3. Let's more closely examine the len operation. At time 7, the current line is 2, the current tab is 0, and there is one variable numbers with the value Python reference 0. And the object store contains the list 246 at index 0. Next, Python executes the statement x equals len numbers. Python first evaluates the len function call. As usual, Python first evaluates the function call arguments. Numbers is Python reference 0. At time 10, we can see Python reference 0 at the top of the value stack. Len is a built-in function, so LWPython executes it in one step instead of jumping to a function. Since numbers is reference 0, Python retrieves the element at index 0 of the object store, which is the list 246. Then Python calculates the length of this stack and pushes the result to the value stack. Finally, Python assigns the output to variable x. In general, if at time t, the expression stack contains an empty element followed by the len function call, and the value stack contains Python reference idx, and the object store is os, and the element at index idx of stack os is the Python list with elements, then at time t plus 1, the empty element and the len function call is popped from the expression stack, and Python pushes the length of elements into the value stack. The object store remains os.